Hello, my name is Yiying Cai, and this is presentation on my assessment 2. The lesson background is about my Year 7 Business Studies lesson on marketing strategies. I chose the topic Nike for Year 7 students because it is a well-known brand, and I believe most of Year 7 students have seen certain advertisements of Nike. The slogan "Just Do It" is well known, and it is one of the important ways how Nike advertises its products. My lesson plan will mainly focus on marketing strategies, so it's associated with explicit teaching, differentiation, and formative assessment. This is how Nike changes its logo. As we can see, no matter how the color Nike changes for different products or different models, the logo remains the same. This is how Nike built up a consumer loyalty. The strong face, "Just Do It," is combined with this logo. This lesson is aligned with AITSL standards, particularly Adjusted Standard 1.5, which focuses on differentiation teaching to meet the diverse learning needs, and the Standard 2.6, which involves using ICT to enhance learning opportunities. These standards can further modeling for students and make sure students can learn, guiding students to study through analysis and build up independent thinking skills. In terms with the VCEBB005, which focuses on how businesses promote products and influence consumer decisions, students will learn how to identify and explain marketing strategies used by business and how they influence consumer decisions. The success criteria I set for students is to identify at least 2 marketing strategies, explaining their impact and applying them to a business scenario. So here's the formal lesson plan. The introduction part. To explain the formal lesson plan schedule, 2 diverse learners are considered in this lesson: an EALD student who requires language scaffolding and a student with autism who benefits from visual sports. So my lesson is designed using explicit teaching, differentiation, and formative assessment strategies to support engagement and learning for all students. I will show students what is the success criteria, explain lesson focus first, and then I will show them the video of Nike. This lesson applies the I do, we do, you do model, which is a key feature of explicit teaching. Explicit teaching involves modeling, guided practice, and independent learning, allowing students to gradually build understanding. This approach is highly effective because it provides clear instruction, which is especially important for Year 7 students. According to the NSW government, explicit teaching improves students' outcomes by making learning intentions and the processes clear. By modeling how to analyze advertisements, students are not left guessing what to do, which reduces confusion and supports engagement. This lesson is also designed with cognitive load theory in mind. Sweller explains that students have limited working memory, so learning must be structured to avoid overload. In this lesson, information is broken into small pieces so that they can learn step by step. This sequence supports development as well as where students connect the new knowledge to existing understanding. Vygotsky theory is also important, which supports students to achieve beyond their current level. After that, guiding students to design a marketing strategy for products in groups so that they can learn through practice. This is how Nike becomes a global brand. In the video advertisement, Nike used children, different sports players, different nationality, and different gender to do us. No matter who you are, you just need to do it. I think this is super good belief for Year 7 students. Formative assessment is used through the lesson to monitor student understanding. This includes question observation during group work and an exit ticket at the end of the lesson. According to Black and William, formative assessment is essential for improving learning because it provides ongoing insight into students' progress. Feedback is also very important, as highlighted by Haiti and Temporary, who argue that effective feedback has a strong impact on students' achievement. In this lesson, I will provide immediate feedback, which is specific and focuses on improving understanding. This ensures that students can reflect and improve after class. I will pop up some small questions, like tell us one thing you learned, make up one question for class to strengthen their understanding at the end. ICT is used in this lesson through video advertisements and digital resources as well. These tools support engagement and provide real-world examples of marketing strategies. I hope the classroom environment is structured using positive behavior for learning principles, with clear expectations, routines, and positive reinforcement. This creates a safe and supportive environment where students feel comfortable participating. The physical space is also organized to allow collaboration while supporting students who may need quiet areas, particularly for those students with additional needs. In conclusion, this lesson demonstrates how expert teaching, differentiation, and formative assessment can work together to support student learning. By grounding teaching strategies in research and aligning them with different standards, the lesson promotes engagement, inclusion, and academic success. Thank you, and here is the references.